everybody. This is week 3 of classic moves and improvisations at Uptown Swing. And we kind of continued with this whole theme of making smooshing moves, as we call them, where you take 2 moves that usually take an 8 each and smoosh them into 1 8. So I came up with some, you came up with some, we had a bunch of moves. So like for example, you could do like a boogie forward, hey, hey, or boogie back, hey, hey. Again, I always told you, if you're just practicing, try to take easy moves. Like take moves like a jazz square. If you want to speed it up, you can speed it up and take it like each count, each step, 1 count. Or like take moves like that. Very easy. And then, so we practiced that a bunch. And then I taught you a new move that you could use. It goes like this. Hop, toy, kick, step. Important thing, when you do this hop, toy, you really want to twist here. You can't just like give up everything right away. It's very hard to turn that way. So we do like this. You want to loop it, you do 2 in a row. And then we smooshed it with cold log because it kind of feels good. And this is what we had. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's just around there. And then we put it together into a little routine. This is how it went. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And just basic full of log. And then break. That feels really good out of it. And then it does that a bunch. That was great. Bye!